If you don't like paradoxes but still love cats, then stick around because we've got a wild one for you. Schrödinger's cat is a thought experiment in quantum mechanics. Imagine a cat in a sealed box with a vial of poison that can be released by a random quantum event. According to quantum theory, until you open the box, the cat is both dead and alive. This mind-bending idea comes from the Copenhagen interpretation, which says particles exist in multiple states, or superpositions, until observed. So, what's the takeaway? In the quantum world, the act of observing something can actually determine its state. Crazy, right? It's like the cat's fate hinges on whether you're nosy enough to look inside the box. Quantum mechanics, making us question reality, one feline at a time. If you enjoyed this mind-bending journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content.